This is a video to introduce a mechanic tool sets including breakdown kit, and no-knee kit and multi-purpose kit, which contains 79 pieces of various tools. This tool sets could be used in multiple purpose, not only for mechanic use. We can also use it for workshop, garage and home of course. And it has a very good quality, which can meet different working requests. Would you like to have a try? In this video we are using YT-3892 tool set. Range of application: automobile production and manufacturing, automotive maintenance, facility maintenance and cleaning services,